Hey guys, quick demo of these textures in use. As always, if you need assistance on extracting your subject first before you place the textures behind them, if you're on YouTube, I have free extraction videos here, or you can join my educational group on Facebook. I'll link it below, and I have plenty of tutorials on how to do that. This is just to show you the textures in use. So here we go. As I usually say, once you place these in, you can change your blend mode. And I will generally also reduce the opacity a little bit. I shoot on gray, so that doesn't affect the color of the backgrounds and textures. And so I just place it right over, and then a soft light. But you can play around with the different blend modes depending on what you're going for, and you can also add adjustment layers like you could use this clip button to make it a little darker if you wanted, to make it matte, or to even lighten it. So don't forget about that. Here's 3. And again, I usually will reduce the opacity, and usually I'll also add a little bit of a Gaussian blur to it, depending on how far away your subject is how much of a blur. But in this, I would use probably, like maybe a 2.5, just to make sure that it's not in focus like your subject, because that's more realistic to have it a little blurred. And I have hundreds and hundreds of textures. I will link these below if you're watching this on YouTube. And then you can just review the entire texture section if you're interested in looking at the others. There's textures, paintings, oil paintings, impasto style, so check it out. So here are these textures. I'll link them again below, as well as my group. And until next time, stay enchanted.